Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is meant by Assalam-o-alaikum? Lecture 3. The phrase Assalam-o-alaikum is divided into two parts. The first one is Assalam and the second one is alaykum. Assalam refers to peace while alaykum refers to upon you. If we put together Assalam, peace, plus alaykum upon you, it becomes peace be upon you. Muslims in return say Wa-Alaikum-Salaam, which is divided like wa means and, alaykum it refers to upon you, salam which means peace. So let's review what we mean by saying Assalamu-alaikum. The greeting Assalamu-alaikum, mostly in Arabic form, translates literally to peace be upon you in English. Muslims use this specific phrase in their day-to-day life. This amounts to offering a direct supplication, prayer, what we call dua, for that person whom he greets. By doing so, they ask God to grant the recipient safety, well-being, and peace in both their worldly and spiritual life. In return, Muslims say Wa-Alaikum-Salaam, meaning and peace be upon you in English. This exchange is a vital part of Muslims' everyday social interactions. Now let's conclusion. So what we come to understand is that peace is the essence of Islamic belief system. It is central to Islam. We notice the word peace, what we call Salama in Arabic, is found in all the three words of Islam, Muslim, and Assalamu-alaikum. So you can imagine how peace is an important element, component of Islamic belief system. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.